Hi guys, in this step-by-step video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can dropship on eBay from Amazon. Okay, so I already created multiple videos about eBay dropshipping, how to dropship from Walmart, how to dropship from AliExpress. I have tried them all. Okay, so I have tried Amazon, I have tried Home Depot, I have tried even Lowe's. Okay, I tried Lowe's like 2 years ago when the profit was very high before Lowe's changed their shipping prices. Like the shipping was free and now the shipping is going to be very expensive on Lowe's because they have like recognized that a lot of dropshippers take advantage of their free shipping. Okay, so that's exactly, guys, why like Lowe's. So as you can see, this is like one of my videos I created about how you can dropship from AliExpress to eBay, and I showed you guys in this video also the profit margin, how much I make from dropshipping from AliExpress to eBay. Now today, on today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can dropship from Amazon. Okay, also I'm going to show you guys this advantage of Amazon and advantages of Amazon in this video. Like I'm going to show you guys step by step in this video. I'm not going to hide anything from you. This all the information you are going to see in this video are 100% accurate, so they are like from my experience. Okay, so first, this is exactly what I do. Okay, so first you need to find winning products on Amazon. Now the method I use to find winning products on Amazon is I try to find a random product. For example, I'm going to search for makeup. Okay, I'm going to search for makeup and I'm going to try to click, for example, on this product. Okay, now what I do, guys, is to copy the title of this Amazon product and I search for it on eBay. This is exactly what a lot of new sellers don't do, and they are missing out on a lot of sales. Now you need to find your competitors on eBay because this doesn't matter to me if this Amazon seller has 14,000 sales or 14,000 sold items here on his Amazon listing. This doesn't mean anything to me if eBay buyers, they are not interested in this product. So what I need to know if I need to know if this product is going to get sales on eBay, not Amazon, because on Amazon I know that it has a lot of sales, but on eBay some people won't even care about this product on eBay. If you list this product on eBay and you didn't check if other sellers are selling this product, you are not going to get any sales. And I have seen a lot of people list like 1,000 items in their like eBay store, and they get like 3 sales per day or 5 sales per day, which is terrible for 1,000 listings. Now, if you do the exact strategy that I'm about to show you in this video, you will get a lot of sales. Okay, so as you can see now, like I said, you want to copy the title of this Amazon listing and then you search for it on eBay, see if eBay sellers are selling this product or not. Okay, that's exactly what you need to do. It's easy as that. Okay, it's easy. You just need to search here. As you can see, it seems like it's the same product. As you can see, I'm going to check here. Okay, so it seems, yeah, it's actually the same product here. Okay, it's the same. And yeah, what we need to do now is to check if this seller has some sales in his listing or not. Now this one has 10 sales, which is this has been sold 10 times, which is really good. Okay, so that's exactly what you need to do, is to search for eBay listing. Okay, after you find the title on Amazon, you want to search for it on eBay and see if the product has any sales in it or not. Now, as you can see, this one has 10 sales, which is good. So I always go with 3 to 10 sales in the last month. That's exactly what I do, guys. Now I'm going to check here is if the profit margin is like worth it to me or not. Now, as you can see, this one is selling it for 21 on Amazon, and he is selling it for 25 on eBay, and also he's charging for the shipping fee. He's charging $25, and on Amazon it's going to be free shipping. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to find out another product on Amazon. Okay, so I'm going to search, for example, for let's go for cheer. Okay, for example, I'm going to search for another product. Okay, I'm going to search for this one on eBay. Okay, it seems like it's the same. Oh, it's actually not the same. Okay, this one, I'm going to check this one. yeah, this one and this one is the same. He's selling it for $76. He's selling it for $83. Also this one, as you can see, it's actually the same product and he is selling it for $120. This guy is a dropshipper from Amazon. Okay, this like eBay seller, he's dropshipping from Amazon, no doubt about it. As you can see, this is the exact same product as you can see here, and he is selling it on Amazon. It's $76. On eBay it's $127. Okay, so now this one has one sale, which is good. Okay, I'm going to list it regardless. I always go with 3 to 10 sales, but if you cannot find, if you are just starting eBay dropshipping and you cannot like do a lot of research like me, I always take my time to find winning products. Now you can either list this product, or what you need to do, guys, instead, what I do too is I check his account, what he is selling also. Okay, but probably I'm going to find the product that he is selling. Wool. Okay, so I'm going to go to his shop and we scroll down and click on see all, and after that you want to then scroll down again and check this box that says here sold items. Now eBay now will show you all the items that has been sold in the last month. Okay, as you can see, this product was sold 2 times, which is really good. 2 times, 3 times, that's good. Now what you guys need to do is to search for this product on Amazon. Okay, that's exactly what you need, and see if you can find it. Okay, this is it. He is selling it for $43, and the product price on Amazon is $26, which is good. Okay, of course eBay takes like 10% or 13% of the sale, but still you can make some profit because you have to sell multiple items per day in order to make, I would say, $100 per day in profit. Okay, that's exactly what you need to focus on, not on the profit margin. You need to focus on selling a lot of items. Okay, so that's exactly, guys, how you can find. Now if I find this product, I'm going to list it. Okay, that's it. I'm going to list it on my eBay on my eBay store. I'm going to download the images. If you don't know, guys, how to download the images, I already created multiple videos about it. Okay, there are a lot of extensions that help you guys download the images from Amazon. Okay, so yeah, before you start listing, what you guys need to do is you want to, after you click on sell, in the top right here you can see sell. Here click on list an item, and then like don't put here a lot of mistake new sellers do is they don't copy the eBay seller title, they copy Amazon's seller title, but this title is not proven to work on eBay. So why would I copy a title from Amazon and it's not proven to work? Now people are not searching for these exact keywords on eBay, so what I need to do instead, I need to copy the title that is proven to work, which is the eBay seller. Okay, this title that I need to copy, not the Amazon on the Amazon seller, because it has 2 sales and people are searching for this on eBay. So I'm going to copy the title, and everything else I'm going to copy them from Amazon, like this description. Of course, you wanna check the description. If it has any Amazon word on it, you wanna remove it, because dropshipping from Amazon to eBay is against eBay policies, but still they allow you guys to dropship. The only reason the don't allow dropshippers to dropship from Amazon is because like a lot of new sellers, they make a lot of mistakes. They don't ship products in time. They don't like make their customers happy. They don't satisfy their customers. They don't really care if the customer sent a message to them. They don't reply to it. That's exactly, guys, the problem. Now, yeah, like I said, you want to copy this title, and everything else you want to copy it from Amazon, like the item specifications, the title, the images, download them from Amazon. Okay, so that's exactly, guys, how you can dropship from Amazon. It's simple as that. But what I like more about dropshipping, or what supplier I like more, is from dropshipping from AliExpress to eBay. A lot of people say the shipping time is going to be very long, but it's not true. They don't really care. I have been dropshipping from AliExpress to eBay for a very long time. So if you are interested in that, click the video in the screen right now and you will be able to learn how to dropship from AliExpress to eBay, which is the best way to dropship in this year and above. Okay, so that's exactly, you need to click it right now, and see you guys next video. Drop a like and see you guys in the next video.